Hello. How are we, guys? You guys all right? How is everyone? So today we're going to do a couple more trades. US 500. We'll do some on gold. We'll do some on euro to dollar. Um, Using the GPT, of course, to find our trades, find our recommendations, and conduct any sort of research. Um, but yeah, first of all, I want to say, how is everyone? Just going to open our trading view. So we will search up US 500. We're going to take a look at how it's performing today and any potential trades we can take. Let's take this indicator off. Okay, so in a downtrend, looking like it's about to bounce back upwards. Potentially we could catch a short looking at this time frame. Consolidating, looks like it could bounce back up, back down, sorry. Going to a 5-minute. And the 1-minute. Fantastic. So yeah, it does look like it's gearing up to consolidate maybe for the next maybe the next 15 minutes. We're going to take a screenshot of the 5-minute chart. So obviously quite a long, sorry, quite a big dip here. We're just going to take an image. So here we go. We're going to attach this. This is the chart of the US 500 right now. Deeply analyze the trends and patterns. Tell me if I should take a long or a short. Fantastic. So telling us to short, entry level around the current, take profit around 5,850. Fantastic. We have a stop loss of 5,900. Now, we're going to ask concisely on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely this scale is to work. And then what we're also going to ask for is the economic news. Of course, the software has taken that into account when it gave us this response, but we're just going to ask so we ourselves know what sort of economic news is taking place at the current. So give me the US economic calendar for today. And don't worry about the movement in the price. We're going to re-ask this question in a very short, in a couple of minutes to really gauge what has changed with our strategy. So this will be a trade we take over the next sort of 20, 30, 40 minutes of the stream. What do we have here? Summary of the US economic calendar. And some companies entering a period of seasonal strength. Okay, that's fantastic. So these are all companies we can take a look at in a minute, notably Polaris Industries. What else do we have here? Fantastic. The majority of these being on the New York Stock Exchange. Fantastic. Fantastic. So Chicago Fed National Activity Index was released about 7 minutes ago. We have the Dallas Fed. Quite a lot of news actually. Okay. How are we all? So quite a strong drop, consolidating. I think it's gearing up to take another short potentially. I think it would be important to swap into a lower time frame, including the dip here, but also what's currently happening in terms of volatility, in terms of price action and movement. So I'm going to download an image yet again, attach this, and we're going to ask one of the pre-engineered prompts that we have saved on our GPT. Very easy to save your own questions and have them selected, ready to ask at the touch of a button. All you need to do is save it in the top right hand corner where it has my profile picture. We can open up the Save Prompts tab and we can connect them here, if you will. Okay, so it's recommended over a 1 minute time frame that we actually go long. So entry level around where we are now with a take profit of 5,900. Fantastic. Let's go into the 4 hour. Fantastic. How are we today, guys? How's your day going? Drop any tickers you want us to trade or do some research on in the chat, and we will conduct some research on them. Fantastic. So in the 4 hour, looks like price may rebound up, or I don't imagine it dropping or going or breaking its current structure. I think a buy. We'll swap into the 1 hour, just do a little bit more analysis here. Okay. Let's take a trade. Cool. We're going to download the image one more time. We're going to attach that image we just took. And if you saw our stream yesterday when we were using the experimental version, you would have seen that we didn't even have to use, we didn't even need to take a screenshot. We could quite clearly, it would read the graph that we internally had attached to the sort of beta system that we were testing. Okay, we're going to take a long entry point around where we currently are, take profit around 5,895. Let's open a position. Buy. Go to our portfolio, add the stop loss of 5,875. And then we're going to take profit at 5,895. Fantastic. So we'll just continue to monitor this trade over the majority of our stream. See what we can get from it. Now another question we can go forward and ask would be something along the lines of the best trades to take today. And in fact, when I asked for the economic news, it did actually give us a list of stocks we could take a look at. Fantastic. Stock market insights. Some companies entering a period of seasonal strength include, and then we have a list of around 10 or 12. Let's take a look at Polaris Industries. I think that'd be very interesting to take a look at. So we're going to create a new chat. We're going to say, give me, give me, give me a report on Polaris Industries. But yeah, how is everyone? Hopefully having a good day. Report on Polaris Industries for February 2025. We have a company overview, we have recent performance, an outlook for 2025, some analyst views, and some recommended considerations. Fantastic. Okay, in the fourth quarter of 2024, Polaris reported a decline in sales, down 23% compared to the same period in 2023. Okay, potentially undervalued at the current then. Let's ask for a chart. Give me a chart. Currently at around $44. Now it was at a high of around $100 not too long ago. That was actually less than a year ago. It was valued at $100. If we swap into maybe the daily time frame, you can really start to see that sort of decline. So they were valued at one point in time around $150 back in 2014. What does just doing a bit of background research on the company. Okay, they make off-road vehicles, snowmobiles, motorcycles, and marine products. Fantastic. MRZR platform. So they're in a contract with the US military. Indian motorcycle, slingshot, razor, ranger, general. Okay, MRZR. Let's take a look at that. Give me information. MRZR platform. Fantastic. Low emission vehicles, light duty hauling, passenger vehicles, and industrial vehicles. Okay, so this was the MRZR platform that Polaris are making with the military. So they're designed to be transported by air, compatible with aircraft such as the Osprey, sling loaded by helicopters. So what is it exactly? Engine, tyres, transportability, ground clearance, range. Can carry up to 900 kilograms. What kind of vehicle is it? So trade is up and running. We're currently in this trade on the US 500. We're just waiting for it to finish sort of consolidating. We were recommended to go long. Off-road environments. Okay. So yeah, Polaris Inc. is about to enter a sort of seasonal uptrend. We could potentially capitalize on them while they're at a quite significant low. Now, we can take a look at a couple other companies. I did like that list it gave us a minute ago. Sanofi. What else do we have? I think Sanofi sounds interesting. We will take this and we will conduct some more research on it, find out whether we want to trade or maybe place an investment in on them. Give me and what they do as a company. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Why? What's up? Yeah. Okay. A multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Paris, France. Its portfolio includes leading products such as Dupixent, with quite strong sales growth and significant progress in its pipeline. Play to win strategy. And they intend to execute a 5 billion share buyback program to optimize its capital structure. Interesting. So we can say something along the lines of, what should I bear in mind if I am planning on investing in Sanofi? But yeah, how is everyone? Hopefully having a good day. Get some comments in the chat. How is everyone? Tell us what you want us to research. Tell us what you want us to trade. If there's any sort of information you need before the market opens in the next 38 minutes. Do drop that in the chat, or the next 37 now. Okay. When considering investing in Sanofi, it's essential to evaluate the strategic and operational factors. Okay. Fantastic. So it recommends a short-term investment of 1 to 3 months. Now we can do that for any sort of stock. What I want to go into right now is actually some potential investments, potential option trades that we could go over and do now. So we're going to say something along the lines of list the top performing Dow 30 stocks this week. How is everybody? We're having a nice day over in London today. For once, not raining. I can see the sun sort of. It's a couple of clouds. It's quite rare actually. Okay, fantastic. Top performing Dow 30 stocks. We've been given Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson, along with their recommended buy and sell levels. Now, all of these are daily trades. They're intraday trades. We've been listed 1 entry level, 2 exit targets, and 1 stop loss. Fantastic. As well as that, we've been given an interactable real-time heat map of the US 500, every single sector that makes up the US 500, as well as each sort of company that makes up that respective sector. Now we can go a little bit deeper, maybe take a look at Broadcom, which is down 7%. We could say, give me the chart of Broadcom. So I wonder what sort of news has caused them to go down 7%. I wonder what kind of news has caused AMD to go down 5%. Nvidia down 8.4. We will find out very shortly. So yeah, very big drop today. And recently, this was on the 24th of January. Okay. But yeah, if you want to see us research anything on stream, please do drop a comment. We'll dissect it using the GPT and have a look at what we can do using the AI. I think we could take a trade. This time, let's do one on gold, maybe. That's one. It was there, yeah. Let's take a screenshot and see what we can do. It's gold. This is XAU USD. Suggest whether I should buy, sell. But yeah, how are we? Yeah, we will wrap up the stream in the next 5 or so minutes. To see, so we have a target of 2852 with some exit targets. Of course, we're recommended to sell, and then a stop loss of 2860. But yeah, we're going to wrap up the stream in the next couple of minutes, guys. We will be back on Monday. Now, if you have any questions until then, please do either drop a comment or leave at the bottom of the video in the description or the bio of any streaming platform you're currently watching on. There should be the option to sign up for a demonstration, should this be something that you are interested in either using or learning to use. So please do investigate at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, get into contact with a member of my team, and we'll be more than happy to help. But yeah, thank you for watching, and